Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. 100 is just a number. Today I am going to recall, if I could, 100 names of the countries and their capitals. Probably I could. I'll try to touch 100. I'm not going to count. You are there to count and tell me whether I have achieved 100. Okay, let us get it started. From the eastern side of the globe, we have New Zealand, Wellington, Australia, Canberra, Indonesia, Jakarta, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, Singapore. Then you have Japan, Tokyo, North Korea, Pyongyang, South Korea, Seoul, China, Beijing, Thailand, Bangkok, Vietnam, Hanoi, India, New Delhi, Nepal, Kathmandu, Bhutan, Thimphu, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Burma or Myanmar, Yangon. Then we have Colombo for Sri Lanka or Jayawardhanepura Kotte, Maldives, Malé, Pakistan, Islamabad, Afghanistan, Kabul, Uzbekistan, Tashkent, Iran, Tehran, Iraq, Baghdad, Kuwait, Kuwait City, UAE, Abu Dhabi. Then we have Saudi Arabia, Riyadh, Oman, Muscat, Qatar, Doha. After that we have Jordan, Amman, Syria, Damascus, Israel, Jerusalem, Palestine, East Jerusalem. Then we have in the African continent, Egypt, Cairo, Algeria, Algiers, Libya, Tripoli, Tunisia, Tunis. Then we have Morocco, Rabat. After that, we have Uganda, Kampala, North Sudan, Khartoum, South Sudan, Juba, Kenya, Nairobi, Somalia, Mogadishu, Ethiopia, Addis Ababa. We have Angola, Luanda, Democratic Republic of Congo, Kinshasa, then Zambia, Lusaka, Zimbabwe, Harare, South Africa, they have 3 capitals, Pretoria, Cape Town and Bloemfontein. Then we move on to European continent. We have Turkey, Ankara, Greece, Athens, Monaco, Serbia, Belgrade, Poland, Warsaw, Ukraine, Kyiv. Then we have Austria, Vienna, Romania, Bucharest, Hungary, Budapest, Switzerland, Bern. Then we have Italy, Rome, Spain, Madrid, Portugal, Lisbon, France, Paris. Then we have Belgium, Brussels, Netherlands, Amsterdam, Germany, Berlin, Sweden, Stockholm, Norway, Oslo, Denmark, Copenhagen. Then we have Finland, Helsinki, Ireland, Dublin, England, London, Luxembourg, Scotland, Glasgow. Any countries I left in Europe? Yeah, almost whatever I know I've covered in Europe. Okay, tell me if I have In Bulgaria, Sofia, in the European continent. So if any other main country, if I have forgotten, please tell me. Then we have North America, Canada, Ottawa, USA, Washington, Mexico, Mexico City, Panama, Panama City. Then we have Costa Rica, San Jose. Then we have El Salvador, San Salvador. After San Salvador, we'll move on to Caribbean region, Cuba, Havana, Barbados, Bridgetown, Guyana, Georgetown, Jamaica, Kingston. Then we have Southern American continent. In the Southern American continent, we have Brazil, Brasilia, Argentina, Buenos Aires, Chile, Santiago, Peru, Lima, Uruguay, Montevideo, and we have Mauritius, St. Louis. And in the Asian continent, I forgot one country, Mongolia, Ulaanbaatar. And any other country in Asia or any other country left in South America, almost I've covered. The little countries in the Caribbean region which I'm not able to remember. I think this could come around 90. Tell me if it is right or if I've achieved my target. If not, tell me which countries I could add and address. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Look for more videos like this. Thank you. Thank you once again. Please subscribe to my channel.